Standard First, Subject Maths, Chapter 29, Introducing and Writing of 51 to 60. Introducing and Writing of 51 to 60. Children, we have learned the numbers from 41 to 50. Today we are going to learn the numbers from 51 to 60. Come on, we'll begin now. Now I am going to recite the numbers from 51 to 60. Listen carefully. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I will make bundles of 10 matchsticks each. Look here, these are 5 bundles and this one is a single matchstick. Therefore, we can say 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. You can see 5 tens and 1 unit here. I am going to add one more matchstick to these. Together they will make 52. In this way, if we go on adding 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks to 5 bundles, we can make number after 51. Children, look at this chart. I will read the numbers for you. 5 tens, 1 unit, 51 is 51. 5 tens, 2 units, 52 is 52. 5 tens, 3 units, 53 is 53. 5 tens, 4 units, 54 is 54. 5 tens, 5 units, 55 is 55. 5 tens, 6 units, 56 is 56. 5 tens, 7 units, 57 is 57. 5 tens, 8 units, 58 is 58. 5 tens, 9 units, 59 is 59. 6 tens, 0 units, 60 is 60. We have read the numbers 51 to 60. Now tell me the fill in the blanks. A toran of consecutive numbers is given here. You have to fill the correct numbers. Who will do it?
Sir, I will. 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Well done. You have told the correct numbers.